We're making keto cheesecake truffles. Oh, let's go. These keto cheesecake truffles are as delicious as they look. We're using just a few ingredients, and this recipe will help you curb your sweet cravings and also help you hit your fat goals. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. Now, the original recipe is by Hill Damari, which is a huge channel here on YouTube. Now, their version is not keto. I've converted it to keto. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box just in case you want to make it for the family or visitors or a special treat. Do stay tuned if you are allergic to nuts, because I've got a great alternative for you as well. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 100 grams of cream cheese softened, and you want to just give that a mix until it's nice and smooth. And now we're going to set this aside. We're going to melt some sugar-free white chocolate. I'm doing mine over bain-marie, and you can also do yours in a microwave. This is 100 grams of sugar-free white chocolate. And when your white chocolate is ready, add it to your cream cheese and combine. When you have an even consistency with no streaks, add 30 grams of nuts of your choice. I've got macadamia, walnuts and pistachio, and combine that in. And for your filling, it's as simple as that. We are all done. At this point, your filling will possibly be a little warm, and we will need to cool that down so we can roll it into balls. So I'm going to pop it in the fridge for half an hour. Remove your mixture from the fridge, and now we're going to roll these into balls, and this is the amount that you'll need. It's about a level tablespoon. Pop it in the fridge while we melt some dark chocolate. Now, if you're allergic to nuts, or if you're just tired of using nuts, I've got an alternative for you, and this time we're going to be using a selection of dried berries. I'm using dried goji, dried cranberry and dried blueberries. Sprinkle 20 grams of mixed chopped dried berries into your mixture and just combine that in. Look how gorgeous that looks. Here I'm melting 200 grams of dark sugar-free chocolate. And about a tablespoon of cream. There we go. Looks beautiful. Dip your balls in the chocolate and remove. Pop them back in the fridge for about 10 minutes. You're just going to harden their chocolate. Now, for these to firm up properly, they should sit in the fridge overnight, but it is very challenging to leave them alone. And if you can't manage it, use a spoon and then you can just scoop out your truffles. that are so good whether you set them or not. I really hope you get to try them. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.